House project number 624. Stupid me. I thought I could knock these ceiling speakers out in maybe 45 minutes apiece. But 3 freaking hours later, it is the middle of the night right now, and I just finished hacking up my ceiling, wondering if I'm gonna regret this and have to call a professional in to fix my crappy work. But nope, boom, look at that. Nailed it. And check this out. I love it! This one really terrifies me. I'm about to cut open my brand new ceiling, and if I screw this up, got my template line drawn. I'm really stressing out because they put the freaking pre-wire for the speakers right by the hot and cold water line and right by 2 drain pipes. So I gotta carefully navigate those. Wish me luck. Wires are connected, it's up there nice and flush. The template was a perfect shape for the speaker to fit. I just gotta get the grill up there, clean up my mess on the floor, and then try pumping some music to it. And then repeat 11 more times, because there are 6 zones of 2 speakers, and this is just one of 12 speakers in the house. Look at that, magnetic fit. It looks great. I shouldn't celebrate yet because I have to test it. But that looks good. I am happy so far. Check that out. Perfect workmanship. And then crap everywhere, and I need a shower. All right, now I've also got to set up this thing right here. This is where the volume knob's gonna be. So all 6 zones in the house have one of these. And I got 6 volume knobs. And I hope I can figure this part out okay. Okay, so we've got 4 speaker cables here, so there should be 2 ins and 2 out. here's the situation. So I gotta wire the left and right, both have 2 wires in and out. So I gotta wire that into this volume knob and then put that into the wall here. But I didn't want to do that and then have it all not work. Plus, none of these wires are labeled, so I wanted to just try to pump something out, make sure it all works. So I just brought a receiver up here and connected the wires. I got a Chromecast. So I'm just on my other phone here. I'm gonna Chromecast something to here. It's gonna pump it out here, up through the ceiling to that, and I'm just gonna really hope that it works. So, here we go. Okay, so speaker up there, receiver down there. I'm gonna push play and pray that I get something from that speaker. It's working! It's working!
It's working! It's working!
Guys, I am so freaking happy this worked. So, okay, next experiment. I just unplugged that. So, confirmation, that speaker is good, these wires are good. Now I'm gonna move this receiver to the data center in the basement, and we're gonna run the same experiment where we actually run it through the 2 things coming to the input of the switch on this wall, and then gonna go from the output of that volume knob back up to the speakers and make sure we're still good. So, here we go. Okay, here's where I am now. I'm super dirty, covered in drywall dust. That's great. I'm down here to Dubflix headquarters, where I've got my receiver that I was just pumping that music to the speaker. But now I've got it down here, so I just undid all the speaker cables. So, you know, these are all the Cat 6 ones. These were all wound up, but I just undid them. So this zone was for the kitchen. So I just barely stripped these wires, and 2 of these are, it's left or positive negative for the left speaker, positive negative for the right speaker. So I just got to now connect these to the receiver and then pump that music again through these, have it go up through that switch panel where the volume knob is going to be, and then back up to the speaker, and then hopefully I still have music going, and if so, then I'm good. So that's what's happening. Wish me luck. All right, this next part is going to be really fun because there is music playing through the receiver in the basement, and it's currently running up through the green and white wires, which are going to connect to the one I labeled West speaker, which is directly above me. So these are going to go to the volume knob and have that be the intermediary, but for now, in theory, as soon as I connect these, I should hear music start playing. So let's see if everything's working. Oh! Yes! I love this! Yes! Okay, all right, so this is all working. I just gotta now make sure it works when I connect the volume knob in between them, put the volume knob in there, and I got one of my 12 speakers in the house done. The rest will be a lot easier and faster though after getting this first one down. Okay, so here's what the volume knob looks like. It's really thick. Hopefully I have enough space, I think I do. But I've got input left, right, positive, negative on here, output left, right, positive, negative on here. So I just gotta connect all these wires to it and hope the music keeps pumping. It's all connected. The receiver has music downstairs pumping to it. I got the inputs and the outputs all going here. It's just a matter of spinning the volume knob. This is so awesome.
6 zones, 12 speakers, 1 down, 11 to go. I just got to get that one up there done, and I'm going to call it a night for tonight. But oh man, is the payoff worth it. Well, a little bit of a mess here, but all things considered, I feel good about it. I was a little worried destroying my ceiling, but no, it looks great. No, seriously though, I've never done anything like that, so I'm pretty impressed with myself, and I don't feel bad about that. Until next time, peace.